Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix not working Wi-Fi on the REALME P3 5G smartphone. So there are a few ways that we can fix not working Wi-Fi, and the first thing that we're going to do is enable or disable Wi-Fi. This is the most basic thing that we can do to check whether it's actually working or not. So you can go to the control panel and toggle this Wi-Fi option on and off, or you can go to settings and go to Wi-Fi and toggle this button right here to enable and disable Wi-Fi. So if that didn't work, let's move on to the next one, and that will be to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So we're going to find our network that we are connected to, press on this information icon, and then press forget. Be sure to press forget and not disconnect, so all of the data is reset regarding your Wi-Fi network and phone connection. So after you've forgotten the network, just reconnect to it and check if that helped you. So if that didn't help, the next thing that we can do is restart our phone and the Wi-Fi router. So to restart your phone, you need to hold the power and volume up buttons, so this menu pops up, and then press slide up to restart. And while the phone is restarting, I'm going to tell you that you can also check your Wi-Fi router. So you can go to as far as resetting it, but before you try to reset your router fully, make sure that you have just restarted it one time to see if that maybe fixed your issue. So if that didn't fix your issue, feel free to reset your router and check if that helped. But the next thing is to check for a software update. So let's just wait for the phone to restart. And there we go. It has restarted. Let's go to settings and check if a software update is available. So press system and updates in the settings all the way down here. Then press software update. Here's going to check for updates. So currently, let's just wait for the network connection to fix itself, because I've just restarted my phone. But once it's checked for updates, it should say whether you need to update your phone or not. So here you can see a new software update is available for me, which fixes camera settings, security updates, and system updates. So fix some known issues to improve system stability. So that might help. So pressing this button down here to start downloading the update, and once the download is done, press restart now to restart your phone to install the update on your phone. Now the next thing that we need to check is whether to reset the network settings or not. So you can reset all the network settings on your phone by going to settings, scroll down to system and updates, then select backup and reset, and here press reset phone and select only reset network and Bluetooth settings. So here you're gonna have to enter your password, verify your identity, and then press reset network and Bluetooth settings. So that's going to disconnect you from all of your Wi-Fi networks, from all of your Bluetooth devices, and just remove the data from your phone. So we're gonna have to connect to those again. So press the reset button and it's going to start resetting. And once you've done that, connect to your Wi-Fi network again and check if that helped you. So that's it for now. I hope any of these tips help you, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.